Hello everyone, we are back after a long time and we are going to do something different in this video. So let's get started. So you are building your next unicorn SaaS startup locally on your laptop and you want to show it to your friends across the world? Well, unless you plan on duct taping your laptop to the rocket and launching it into the orbit, you will need something better. And I will show you what you can do and how you can show your unicorn startup to your friends all over the world. And the tool is Ngrok. This tool is like Robin Hood of tunneling tools. It steals ports from your local machine and it gives them directly to people in the internet openly. So what the heck actually Ngrok is? Ngrok is basically a magic wormhole. No wonder it lets you expose your local server running on your local machine, your local port, to the public internet using a secure tunnel. Why? Because not everyone you do should be confined to your home address, your local host, like your social life. Alright, let's install and spam it. So first you need to go to the ngrok.com. Then you need to sign up yourself. Then you need to download Ngrok of your operating system. It can be Windows, Mac, or Linux. And you need to unzip it somewhere classy, like your desktop. And after that, you have to set path. If you are on Windows, I will show you how to set the path for it so you can use it from anywhere of your machine. After downloading it successfully, open the path where the ngrok exe is. Then copy the path and open the advanced system settings in your machine. Then go to environmental variables. Then go to system variables. There you will get path. Then select edit and you will get the options. Here we will need to create a new path. We need to set up a new path. So select new and paste the path of the ngrok exe and make sure you click OK for the system variable and you close the thing properly and now you are good to go. Ngrok needs an auth token because it is not a pirate ship. You will get one auth token in the sign up page where you have signed up with your accounts. And now this is how you have to authenticate yourself. And when it is done, you are officially in the gang. The authentication is done. Now we need to test the connection. Firstly, we will check the version with ngrok minus minus version. Let's see. Yeah, it is done. And now you are officially in the gang. Now I will go to my code editor and here we will spin up a very heavy HTTP server with thousands of APIs and I will use Python to run my server and the server is running and now do the magic. Now we will do the magic. We will come back to command prompt and let's start the magic. Ngrok HTTP 8000. It's all what we have to write and it is done guys. The public URL is here. You can see that the URL is redirecting port 8000 and we can see the online status, the version, the web interface where we can test the APIs or we can check the APIs at what is going on. And now we will see if it works or not. And here we go. And we can see that our unicorn startup is public, is live using Ngrok, and anyone in the world can use it with internet connection. Ngrok comes with an internal web interface where we can see our requests and information regarding these things. So I will reload my site and I will see how that reflects in the web interface. And we can see that the last request is here, and there is nothing, no magic, guys. Everything has a deep core logic and implementation behind it. Same for Ngrok. There is an internal architecture and workflow to tunnel the local ports and make them available to people in the internet. So, in another video, I will dive deeper into these things and I will explain properly how Ngrok actually works under the hood. So, that's all for this video. We'll see you later. Thank you.